What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how you can go and create a new wallet in Trust Wallet. Now to do this, the process is really simple and easy. Just follow all the steps I'll show you guys in this video. So let's just quickly jump right in. Simply head over to Google Play Store where you can easily find Trust Wallet. Once you have downloaded it, we will go and open it here. Wait a few seconds. Hit get started. Now here it will ask you to import an existing wallet or create a new one. We will go here and create a new wallet. Now here it will provide you with two different options. We will go and select the first one because this is the most commonly used one. The second option is right now in beta phase. Now here it will ask you for some verification and backing up your files. Now to do this, you can back up to your Google Drive or you can back up manually. You can also go and head over to skip, but I will not recommend that. Back up manually. Now after that, they will ask you to create a passcode and verify your fingerprint. Now that's the things you're gonna use while doing your transactions. I can't record that because app doesn't allow it. Now this is the interface of your wallet. You can further head over to settings to discover more. For example, you can turn on dark mode. You can add more wallets from here, and you can further go and increase security by heading over to security. Just like this. There are other methods you can even add here. These are different options you can figure out yourself. Well, that's all you need to know about creating a wallet in Trust Wallet. I hope the video was useful for you guys. I hope the video was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. See you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.